Namaskar, my dear friends. How are you all doing today? Hi, this is Anita Ajay Pai, your tarot card reader, and I'm back again with an amazing spread for the entire year of 2021. I'm sorry I've been a little busy, that's why I was not unable to upload the videos for last few months. Extremely and sincere apologies for that. But right now, I'm planning to predict for the 12 months. Usually people get confused with the sun sign or the moon sign, which one to follow. So that's why I opted to just talk about the months. So here what I'm going to do in this spread is people who are born in January, people who are born in February, that's how I'm counting it. So that's how the spread goes in, and you can just pick up your month or listen to the entire video and then share it with your loved ones as well. Let's go. What are we waiting for? Okay, so people who are born in month of January, let's see how the year in general is going to be for them. Okay, so people who are born in month of January, I would strongly suggest you guys to be a little more matured. Think before you act. Be very careful in making any decisions. Be extremely comfortable with your emotions. Don't have to hesitate projecting whatever you feel. You are at your vulnerable this year, so be very careful and be look for a matured approach. In case you are unable to handle it yourself, I would definitely suggest you to approach somebody who is more matured in your family or in your friends, or somebody who you would be happy to connect with, and take decisions jointly. Do not just get into the mode the moment you see it. As you are a little vulnerable, you might end up making some immature decisions. So be a little careful in making any kind of decisions, as you are very emotional this year. Okay, so people who are born in month of February. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles, this talks about a little stagnancy. There would be some kind of negativity around you. It's completely in your hands how you take it, how you approach your life with, how you're willing to go ahead with a life. So your money or anything to do with, there would be a little stagnancy, but don't worry. This is a generic spread. So I would be doing more and more videos on monthly basis, so that would give a little more insight. Right now I would suggest you to be a little more careful and do not stagnate yourself. Do not worry, or do not sit thinking what's going to happen in your life. Rather start creating possibilities rather than focusing on the problems. Okay, people who are born in month of March. Okay, so you guys are a little juggling. You keep juggling the entire year. You're not having any fixed way of approaching anything, and because of the juggler you are, you will have infinite possibilities in all the terms, whatever you are going to handle in your life. So people born in month of March, I would definitely suggest go and grab the opportunities which you have, convert them as you wish, and once you take a decision, don't keep juggling about it. Okay, you have infinite opportunities, infinite possibilities to create. So be a creator and don't sit and waste your time. That's what I would say for the people who are born in month of March. For the people who are born in month of April, okay, so April, people, you would be at that zone where you want to let go of everything. You don't want anything in your life and just keep moving ahead in your life. You are at that peak of spirituality. Maybe you want to just get into spiritual learnings or teach something or practice something more and things like that. Fair enough, you can do all of it. But what I would suggest is don't completely get away from the world. You have a lot to see, you have a lot to know, you have a lot to understand. So follow, focus, and see what is right for you at that particular time. Okay, all right. People born in month of May. Wow, people born in month of May are sitting with lots of abundance and lots of prosperity and lots of happiness. This year is a big, awesome wonderful year for you guys. I don't want to say much about this, but yes, you guys are really blessed. You have all the qualities, all the abilities, everything under the sun. You have to just use them. So enjoy this complete year. This year brings in lots and lots of possibilities for you. So people born in month of May, focus on creating more and more because you have all the resources. You have to just work on it. People born in June. Okay, people born in month of June, let go of all those negative thoughts what you're carrying. Your mind is stinking, so clear your thoughts. Keep yourself high in vibrations, heal yourself as much as possible. And if you are fearing that somebody is going to take away your credits, or somebody is going to run away from taking your credits and all of those things, then I would strongly suggest that keep your vibrations high and do not worry about anything of that sort. It's all in the mind. So if your mind is clear, everything is going to be clear automatically. The more positive you become, the better the thoughts would be. So your thoughts become your words, and your words manifest the life for you. Remember this and be more and more optimistic, and be a little, you might end up being opportunist also. So it's nothing wrong in that. Don't consider yourself wrong to be an opportunist. Just go ahead and grab the opportunity whenever you get it, but with a positive attitude. That is what I would suggest for the people born in month of June. Okay, the July people. All right, so July people, it's a time for you to start guiding people, start seeking, start giving advices if possible. So to give advice, you have to literally educate yourself. You have to go up to the level where you are in a position to advise people, so your family, your friends, or somebody who, even strangers, would approach you, and they would just ask you for advices. So if you have to advise them, first make sure that you are at that level where you can be in a position to advise people. So I would definitely suggest you get into a lot of learning, get into a lot of exploring, and by this you can also create money by advising people. So look for some career opportunities where you would be a coach or a counselor or something of that sort. That will be really, really great for the people who are born in the month of July. So August, what does August say? Okay, people born in month of August, please grab the opportunity. It's knocking at your door. It's right there. You can see the cup. It's right there. Just grab it. You don't have to just wait for somebody to come and feed you the food. It's right there. Just take it and have it. All right. So people born in the month of August, you have the opportunities. You have to just open your eyes and ears and look around, and then you will get it. So be very, very open and be willing to receive. Very, very important. People born in the month of August, please be willing to receive. Okay, what does the month of September say? Okay, Queen of Cups. So people born in the month of September, you have the resources with you. You have intact it. You have accumulated a lot of goodness in you. Now is the time to spread it across, to preach people and to take care of people and to take care of yourself. Spread out your knowledge, spread out your income, spread out things, and then you will gain lots out of it. So people who are born in this month, in September, I would strongly suggest that you start a business of your own. That will really be great help, for the people who will be working for you. And you will also be in a position, at a higher position, to take care of people. So there are some new opportunities coming in your way. Just take it. It's a good year. October. Okay, there's some good news for the people who are born in the month of October. In case you're single, you might end up getting married, or you might get a partner. If you are planning to start up a business, maybe your business would grow with an additional partner in the in your business. There are a lot of angelic blessings. There's some good news coming your way. There's lots of opportunities. You might make like it's a good time for family, it's good time to make house or grow up your business. So basically, people born in October, it's a very good year, a good year with filled with opportunities. All right, people born in month of November. November, it's Ace of Cups, so it's the year of beginning of anything you are looking for. It could be, because it's cups, it's emotional card. So in case you're planning to get married this year or planning to have a new relationship in any prospect, it's a very good time. Or you're planning to have a baby, it's a very good time. It's a very good year for guys who have born in month of November. It's a beginning, so you can invest in your business, invest in relationships, invest in health, anything of, if you're looking for those new year goals and all of those things, you can definitely achieve it with angelic blessings, with complete with a great attitude you're going to carry this entire year. So people born in November, it's a good time again for you guys. Now December, people born in December, wow, it's a justice card. So you guys are going to be really just, and you're going to get lots of good opportunities with your great career. You're going to have a wonderful career which you'll be using a lot of your mind. So be a little more active, be a little more do a lot of reading, do a lot of exploring and stuff like that. That will really help you to handle this entire year, as you will be in a very great position. Your career is good. So people, if there are people who are lawyers, who are counselors, oh, this is the year for you guys. Let me tell you, as you will be using a lot of mind. This is a wonderful year for the people born in December as well. So this is from Jan to December, people who have born. That's how all the 12 months I have divided and I've said. So wait for the next video I would be uploading sometime next week, where I would be talking in brief about your health, wealth, relationships, and generic, based on a monthly basis, with 3 separate cards which I've been doing in my couple of old videos. Till then, thank you, take care, have a lovely 2021. Thank you, bye bye.